So it's Pat Pattison with the best of California, and I'm here at the beautiful San Diego Yacht Club with Xavier Equihua, who is the CEO of Avocados from Peru, and we're at the World Avocado Cup Regatta. Javier, how's it going so far?
Amazing. This is the second edition of the World Avocado Cup Regatta, and we are very thankful that the San Diego Yacht Club is hosting it. And we're very excited that we presented today the actual World Avocado Cup to the club. And this is going to be a cup that will be an annual an event for the club in perpetuity.
How exciting. And so tell me the connection of Avocados from Peru and the Avocado Cup. I love that the connection of that and yachts.
The actual host of the regatta is the World Avocado Organization, and the Peruvian Avocado Commission, or Avocados from Peru, are a member of the World Avocado Organization, just like the California Avocado Commission is also a member. And so the idea of the World Avocado Cup came because there's one thing that all avocado producers in the world have in common, and that is the sea and their love of sailing. So isn't that amazing, no? And now we have 12 boats, and next year we will have 16 countries represented.
Wow. And your favorite memory of today, what was most exciting for you?
Well, I mean, presenting the trophy, the official trophy to the yacht club. I mean, it's something that will be in the vitrine of the club, and as I announced today also, the Spanish Royal Sailing Federation is going to start a World Avocado Cup in Europe, in Spain. So
we'll look forward to that. And in terms of your organization, Avocados from Peru, what is your mission in the coming year?
Well, our mission is to promote, obviously, first and foremost, avocados, because people really don't care about the origin. But it's lovely to say that it's from Peru or from California or from Mexico. But at the end of the day, what people care is about avocados, the ultimate superfood there is in the world, in the history of the world. People don't know that, but there's very few products that have 20 vitamins and minerals, fiber, monosaturated fats, and even protein.
Plus, it tastes so good.
Well,
I mean, the food that he served here, unbelievable. So
I like to say that avocados always give an upgrade to any dish. It's kind of like when you go to you used to go to the airport, and they would tell you you've been upgraded to first class. It's the same thing when you put avocados.
You want that with avocados. Yes. Well, Javier, thank you for hosting us here. And it's Pat Pattison with the best of California. We're here at the San Diego Yacht Club. Talk to you soon.